Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial and rational functions. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x is given by p of x equals x minus 6 times x plus 1 times x minus 3. What are all intervals on which p of x is greater than 0? A, B, C, D are given. To solve these kind of questions, you will need to find the roots of the polynomial function. And these are given as here. These are the factors. So we will make, to find the roots, we will make factors, each factors equal 0. Then we will find the values of x. So to do that, x minus 6 equals 0. Then the value of x is 6. X plus 1 equals 0. From here, x will be negative 1. And if x minus 3 will be equal to 0, the value of x will be 3. So we have found 3 values, 3 roots for the function. If you will put them in an order according to number line, negative 1 comes first, 3 and 6, right? So we will use some checkpoints to find out the sign of the polynomial function within these regions. These 3 roots divided into these regions, 4 different regions, right? Like this is first region, second region, third region, and the fourth region. There are 4 different regions. So we will use, to check the first region, I'm going to use negative 2 according to number line. Negative 2 comes first, right? And between negative 1 and 3, I'm going to use 0. I will use between 3 and 6, let's go for 4, with 4. And after 6, I'm going to use 7. These are our test points. So, if you will test p of negative 2, this means we will just substitute negative 2 for the x. This equals negative 8 times negative 1 times negative 5. Turns into negative 40. So this sign of the polynomial function is negative. What we're looking for? We're looking for something greater than 0, which is positive. So I'm going to use a different color pen for P0. For the P0, we will substitute 0 for the x. So I'm just substituting here, 0. So this is negative 6 times 1 times negative 3. If you will multiply these, this turns into positive 18. So the sign between these 2 regions is positive. And we're going to check now P of 4 for the third region. 4 minus 6, 4 plus 1, and 4 minus 3. Negative 2 times 5 times 1. This turns into negative 10. So this is negative. The third region sign is negative, which is less than 0. So for the fourth one, I will use 7. So 7 minus 6, 7 plus 1, 7 minus 3. This is positive 1 times 8 times 4, positive 32. So the sign is positive. So based on this, if you will write the intervals for the positive regions, Then this is -1 and +3. Are we going to include -1 and 3? We won't, because they didn't say greater than or equal. They just said that greater than. So that's why -1 and 3 makes the polynomial 0. That's why we're going to use just parentheses, not the brackets. And union with 6 and infinity. This will be our final answer for this question. So when you look at the choices, -1, infinity, -1, it stays at the positive node. The region is negative in there. Choice B actually what we're looking for. And the choice C, negative infinity, -1, again, this is negative here. Same thing in here, negative. So that's why the correct answer for this specific question is choice B. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.